ये इमेज मैंने फुल स्क्रीन पे इसलिए लगाई है ताकि तुम इसको रीड कर सको, तो पढ़ लो इसको साथ साथ। टू radiographs have been shown here to show the changing position of the gallbladder in different positions of the body. The gallbladder is filled with an X-ray opaque material which is excreted by the liver in the bile, right? So the gallbladder has been shown to be radio opaque. Now in this figure A is taken in a standing position and figure B, the next one, is taken in lying down position. Then the labeling there, number one they have mentioned is the third lumbar vertebra. You can see in both the images, that's why I have made it full screen. Then number two labeling is that of the gallbladder. And let me tell you that both these images are of AP view, because you can see that there are iliac crests seen, sacrum also has been seen, and even the ribs and the spinous process of the vertebrae also been seen. That means both these x-rays are of antero-posterior view. So there are two differences that you can appreciate. One is the distance from the median plane, the other is the vertical displacement, right? So in the A image, that is of standing position, you are seeing that the gallbladder is more in approximation towards the right side of the spine. But in the lying down position, the gallbladder has shifted more laterally towards the right of the spine. The second difference that you can appreciate is the vertical positioning. In the standing position, the gallbladder is at a lower level, and that's why they have indicated number one as the third lumbar vertebra. So you can see in standing position, the gallbladder is coming at a vertebral level of L3 and L4, reaching up to the L4 vertebra in standing position. But in lying down, it has gone up. Now in lying down position, the gallbladder is at a vertebral level of L2 and L3. That's why they have labeled L3 vertebra as number one, so that you can appreciate the difference in the vertical displacement of the gallbladder. Now regarding the lateral displacement, because you know the liver is a massively big organ, in fact the largest organ of the human body, which weighs around 1600 grams in male and 1300 grams in female. लगभग 1.5 किलो का लिवर होता है, जिसमें major portion of approximately 80% of the weight of the liver is taken up by the right lobe. और right lobe की anterior, superior, posterior and right surfaces, they are convex, mostly curvy surfaces होती है. That means the liver is not rigidly fixed. It can also move in a transverse axis. It can also move in a vertical axis. It can also slightly get displaced in an antero-posterior axis. So that means in standing and lying down position, the liver has slight displacements. So when a person lies down, actually the right lobe being much more bulkier and heavier, it sinks down towards the right paracolic gutter spaces, towards the right side. And that's why the gallbladder is also shifted laterally towards the right side. तो ये दो important changes हैं जो एक्सरे में you can appreciate while in standing position and while in lying down position. Okay, याद रखना गॉल ब्लैडर स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में नीचे होगा और स्पाइन के L3 L4 वर्टिब्रे के नजदीक होगा ऑन द राइट साइड. लाइंग डाउन पोजीशन में गॉल ब्लैडर जो है L2 L3 वर्टिब्रे के राइट साइड में होगा और थोड़ा दूर हट के होगा ऑन द राइट साइड. ठीक है.